Hey everyone! Today I'm going to try the DQ Girl Scout Thin Mint Cookie Blizzard. See? Made out of Girl Scout Thin Mint cookies. These are really neat. So I'm going to try it, see how it tastes. Mmm, yum. It has a tasty flavor. Yummy. It tastes like Thin Mint cookies from Girl Scouts. Really tasty. With creamy DQ soft serve. You see here, they do a great job, especially putting some mints all around it. So I got this at DQ today. It's really yummy. Mmm, delicious. It tastes like chocolate mint cookies. There's been times I watched the DQ commercial of this Blizzard. It looks really good and tastes like mint, really minty cookies. Yum. So, if you like this Blizzard, I highly recommend it to try it because it's really yummy. So, I'll see you soon in the next video.